My name is Benjamin Rader, and this is the final exam, part number 2, prime numbers. Let's go ahead and jump into this. I believe we had an assignment like this. Honestly, was it? It may have been the class I took before this, but we had to deal with primes a lot. Really, the coding in this isn't too crazy. It's just, do you know how to solve for prime numbers or not? So we got our function primes list with the n variable here, empty primes list. So we have a for loop, which basically has us iterate from 2 to whatever the user input is plus 1, set prime equal to true. So then we're going to have another for loop and an if loop, both within this for loop. This one says for j in range 2 to typecast the integer to the square root of the number plus number in the index plus 1, sorry. And it basically says, hey, if I is percentile of j equal to 0, prime is not equal to false. So we're going to set it to true, and there has to be a trigger set to false. This is it, the if statement. Set to false, and we'll break it. We exit out of that for loop, go back to our original for loop. If prime, simply just if it's a prime, we add it to our prime list. Prime list dot append or append I. So we add that to the back of our prime list, and we return it, and that's it. So I actually have a variable that takes the user input, typecasts it to an integer, and saves it, called number. And then I have another variable, prime numbers, basically our list. And this takes our actual function and within the parameters of whatever the user chooses here. So let's go ahead and try it. This should print out all the primes up to the number that I list. So let's do 53. There you have it. There you have it. Every number divisible between 1 and itself and nothing else. There you go. So you can do, I think, what does it have us do? 23? Sure. Yeah, we can do 23 also. Oh, sorry. There you have it. There you have it. All right, on to the next.